Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm giving you an updated breakdown of the costs of building materials here in Jamaica. So if you're thinking about starting a project, this will help you budget properly. For 3/8 10 millimeters, you're looking at around $850 to $1,100 JMD per 20-foot length. For a half 12 millimeters, expect to pay $1,100 to $1,400 JMD per length. And for the thicker 5/8 16 millimeters, it's about $1,600 to $1,900 JMD per length. Next is cement. A 42.5 kg bag of cement will cost you around $1,500 to $2,000 JMD. Moving on to sand, a cubic yard of sand goes for around $6,000 to $8,500 JMD, depending on the quality and where you're getting it from. For stone or gravel, that'll run you about $6,000 to $9,000 JMD per cubic yard. Again, depending on the quality and supplier. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your support helps the channel grow. And finally, concrete blocks. For 4-inch blocks, you're looking at around $80 to $110 JMD each. 6-inch blocks will cost $100 to $130 JMD each. And for the 8-inch blocks, it's about $110 to $110 to $150 JMD each. Don't worry, all the information will be in the description below. I didn't mention delivery costs here because they can vary. It all depends on how much material you're ordering and how far it's going, so definitely check with your supplier on that part. These prices can vary a bit depending on where you are in Jamaica and which supplier you're using. But this should give you a pretty accurate idea of what to expect when budgeting for your project. Always make sure to check with local suppliers for the most up-to-date prices. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more construction tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.